Hey guys, welcome to Hokma Finance Canada, where financial wisdom meets Canadian expertise. Subscribe now for smart money moves. Also, explore valuable resources and helpful links in the description below. Let's get started. In this video we're going to show you how to link your Starbucks Rewards account and TD Bank card in TD app. To start, open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is opened and you have successfully logged in, you will see several options. Tap on the option that says My Accounts. Next, tap on your checking account. On this screen, you will see several tabs. Tap on the Summary tab. Under Summary, you will see an option for My TD Rewards. Tap on My TD Rewards. Next, click on the Get Started button. Here, you will see a section for Rewards Program Perks. Under it is an option for Starbucks Rewards. Tap on Starbucks Rewards. After that, you will see how this works. To proceed, tap on the Link Now button. Now, read the privacy terms. Once done, tap on the Accept button. Next, you will be informed that the accounts listed will be linked to Starbucks Rewards account. To proceed, tap on Continue. To complete, you need to log into your Starbucks Rewards account. Tap on the Go to Starbucks button. You will be then directed to this page. Here, sign in with your username or email address and password. Or if you don't have an account yet, tap on Join Now. To create an account, you need to provide your first and last name. Also, an email address that will also serve as your username, and a password. After that, read and understand the terms. Then click on the tick boxes. It will then ask you to grant TD Bank Group an access to your Starbucks account. To allow, tap on the Confirm button. And that's how you link your Starbucks Rewards account and TD Bank card in TD app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.